Alright, in this video we're going to apply what we've learned to triangles, and it's going to add maybe 2 more steps to the process. So remember, when we're finding information out of a triangle, the first thing we need to do is to label the sides. So we'll start with this. Here's the angle, that makes that O. There's the right angle, that makes that hypotenuse, and then this one is A. We can see that we've been given a number for O and a number for H, so the ratio I'm going to use is sine. So sine theta equals O over H. Then I'm going to substitute the numbers from this picture in. It's going to be sine theta equals 6 over 10. Then remember the process, I'm going to calculate the decimal for 6 over 10. Sine theta equals 0.6. Using my calculator, I would then type in the opposite of sine, 0.6, and it would tell me the answer is, for the missing angle, of 37 degrees. All right, so yesterday what we were doing was pretty much from this part on. Okay, so today we're adding in these 2 steps here, where we start by labeling the sides of the triangle and writing the correct ratio and substituting the values in, and from then where we're up to from yesterday. All right, so here's one to try again. You give it a go, and then I'll tell you what I get. All right, so if you've given it a go now, you should know that we label the sides first. That's A, this is H. So A and H, that ratio is cos. So cos theta equals A over H. So this is the cos of the unknown angle equals 5 over 6. All right, we'd look at 5 divided by 6 on our calculator, and it would tell us that it is 0.83 recurring. 83 recurring. We would look that up on our calculator, and we would type in the inverse cos of 0.83 recurring is our unknown angle, and that is 34 degrees. Remember, our calculator will tell us more accurate answers because the trig table doesn't have all the decimals that we need. So our calculator will tell us better answers. You might have also noticed that in these 2 questions, I rounded to the nearest whole degree, and that's because the question told me to round to the nearest degree. Sometimes they'll say round to the nearest, or round to 3 decimal places, or round to 1 decimal place, in which case you copy out the required number of decimal places. So read each question carefully and make sure you do what it says.